Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to send live snap without media upload. Here's how to send a live snap without uploading media the usual way. First, let's open Snapchat and go straight to the main camera screen, not the chat. Hold down the capture button for at least half a second to start recording. Once you're recording, you'll notice a small plus icon on the screen. Tap it. This lets you import media from your gallery, choose the media you want to use, and once it's added, go back to the original clip you recorded and delete it. Now only your imported media will remain in the live snap. Tap on preview to check how it looks, then hit send to, and choose the person you want to share it with. Press send, and it just like that, you've successfully sent a live snap without uploading media the traditional way. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.